vegetables in the Philippines. Let's check the sides. It's supposed to be that thin. Last time it has like that. Let's see if it's original. So let's open it. Let's open it like that. I finally opened it. So it has to share and devour. For some reason it's like this, so that you can see the RE from the share. Let's share it with me, actually. You take the first bite.
Yes, that's my goal. Ning aliwa relationship itong imo na. Tapos yan eh. You know what? There are others who are they have a family na. They're not even that rich yet. They didn't finish school yet.
Kasi may hatakman ng
Really?
Kasi may hatakman ng lipstick.
That's their goal lang. Oh, how come me? I got lipstick naman pero I'm not like that.
Kanino ka may pag-lipstick? Kanino?
Mga express.
Kaya mo lalaki. Ano nga ito?
Lalaki, I have no.
Kaya lalaki, pag di may hatakman ng lipstick, kaya pa niya latando, suso, mga yan. Kaya niya latando, cookie.
Ano din ang chocolate?
Ay, gusto ko nakakakahit mga yan.
It's like dark chocolate.
Kasi
Bye. Please like and subscribe. Peace.